is a binding force, it's a uniting force. It is pure yoga, nothing but that. So, these are some of the thoughts which came to me. Of course, I should not have been thinking when I was listening. That is the instruction of the Dasji. Very true. But unfortunately, we are mostly here at the cerebral level, as I said, and not at the cordial level, unfortunately. So, we suffer as well as we learn. I'm reminded of an article which I had written some time back. And I have titled it, Hate for the Heart. Hate for the heart. Very often we are in this headquarters. That is where we live. Whereas our headquarters should be our heart quarters. That is the message I feel has come to me from the Dasji. And thanks to Gokhale sir, you see, I also suddenly remembered 4 lines, very beautiful lines. I don't know who said this. And I will conclude my appreciation of what we have received from the Dasji with these 4 lines of a great Sufi saint. He said, Saleh bhi tera, Zist bhi tera, Kaaba bhi tera, Kafunist bhi tera, हाजिर गुनहगार जिधर भेज दे तू दोजख भी तेरा और बहस भी तेरा. And him who gave us this beautiful line. I will repeat for those who missed the substance of it, and perhaps certain words may not be familiar. Saleh bhi tera. Saleh means a holy man. Saleh bhi tera. Zist bhi tera. Zist means one who is fallen, whom we call fallen. We talk about fallen women and fallen men, and this is our drishti, unfortunate. Saleh bhi tera, Zist bhi tera, Kaaba bhi tera, Kafunist bhi tera. Kaaba is yours, Kafunist also is there. Kafaron ka jo hai, wo bhi tera hi hai. Hazir gunegar jidhar bhej de tu, dozak bhi tera aur bahis bhi tera. There is no difference. So we have to rise to that height of love, compassion, empathy, sympathy. In conclusion, we thank the hotel management for giving us opportunity to be free, and the loving, tender care we received from them. We have no words to express this. Finally, I don't know how it can be done, because we are a part of all, the totality. It's very difficult to say we thank Dasji, because he will immediately say, see, there is a dichotomy, there is a distinction. But we are human beings and we have to express things the way we usually do. Unfortunately or fortunately, we are very thankful to you, sir. And as a very, very small, insignificant token of our appreciation, we are offering you, though you have always asked us to go beyond time and beyond space, we are, thanks to Srimati Mehta, we are offering you a very small token of our
एक मिनट दिखाइए, ऐसा करिए, ये खड़ा कर दीजिए थोड़ा इसको जरा. Thank you. This side, sir.
I would like to thank Mr. Mundling and Bhide. They have taken a lot of troubles, and at this Mr. contacting two groups was very difficult to Mundle, this Churchgate group and Chamber group, but he has done all these circus very efficiently. And I am
hearing for 2 or 3 days about selfless work, I don't think I should be. Right. Anyway, thank you very much for the cooperation and excuse us if something is lacking or somebody is inconvenienced. And we'll meet again next year. You will speak a couple of minutes.
You are bored?
no, no.
2 minutes, I won't take more of your time. Because he says that conclusion should be by me, that's why really now, from yesterday I have stopped talking. Friends, it was last year that Mr. Mirchandani expressed his desire that I should touch the subject of life beyond death. And when I started the preparation, I felt that this topic should be given exposition from a very different angle. In the sense, it is not only to satisfy your inquisitiveness, but while discussing this topic should come to your help in expanding yourself, in understanding the nature of God, nature of nature's law, and to see that you are in a position to lead a very good life. It is from that point of view I started exposition of the subject. I am sure that the topic which I have discussed, if you deliberate on this for some time, and if you try to practice it, it will help you a lot. Now, up to what standard it has come, I don't know. But let me tell you, I have done my best to see that you get the maximum out, because this is such a vast, the whole subject is such a vast ocean. To bring it in 5 days seminar is a very difficult aspect. Remember only one thing, the spiritual life is a state of a being. And since we have seen, whatever good or bad we do consciously, you may feel that immediately you are not getting results, but that is always noted and you are going to get the results. And since now you must be convinced by this time that the object of each and every individual to unfold the spiritual mind to ultimately reach the absolute, to become God. I hope you will take a lot of care to see that whenever you think, whenever you act, whenever you speak, that comes from the spiritual mind rather than animal mind. If this, you keep it in mind all the time, you will always feel that the God is speaking through your mouth, looking through your eyes, hearing through your ears, and that itself is an ecstasy in day-to-day life. Even an ordinary way in which you deal with the life, if you keep this itself will make you feel that you are in a heaven. You don't require to go here and there for this. Friends, for preparing this particular topic, I received a lot of help from two very dear and close individuals of mine. One is Mr. Mirchandani, second is Mrs. Tulpule. So I am also thankful to them for helping me to see that I gather all this material properly. This particular function would not have been this success, but for the efforts of Mr. Mundle and Mr. Bede. In fact, on the first day itself, I told them that I should come and massage your body only to express my gratitude to you, but they blush and they refuse. That's why otherwise I wanted to do that on your behalf. But we are really, I see these two persons are personified karma, the way in which they do work. you must have seen for last, especially at Oceana building, where our classes are being conducted, Mr. Mittal for last 1 year is videotaping everything, and believe me, he is spending about 2,000 rupees a month without any expectation and helping other persons, those who are absent or those who want to give these videotapes. Really speaking, I am also thankful to him. Today also, you must have seen in this session also, he has done a lot of spade work in getting all these videotapes, so that anytime you want to hear the topic, if you have forgotten, you can hear it. I am thankful to this management of this hotel, Mr. Saraswati and the whole staff. You must have seen how courteous they are to everybody. At the end, friends, I am also thankful to you. Because of you, I was in a position to talk this subject, speak this subject, and believe it without any exaggeration. I was so happy with you that really I felt that I am at my best, and it is because of your spiritual yearning, it is because of your sincerity. And therefore, with my folded hands, I pray God that throughout your life, He will give you His guiding voice all the time, and you will make progress day after day towards the ultimate. Thank you.